Hello, myself Ashok Vibhude. I am from Powerone. Powerone is a 32 years old Indian organization who is into the manufacturing of solar inverters, solar chargers, after that solar hybrid inverters, EV chargers and stabilizers. Online UPS also we are doing. We are the company who is having more than 250 service centers across India. And as far as solar is concerned, we have more than 70% local content, and we are empaneled with several MNC and Indian organizations. And for this exhibition, we are really helpful for this. Whatever we got the footfall, and we got lots of leads here and a good crowd. Thank you.